Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ATZ Power Portable Power Station, 296 Wh, backup lithium battery. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: capacity, high power portable power station, 296 Wh, 300 Watt power, can charge your devices for a long time. Output mode: 1 AC pure sine wave, 120 volt output, 1 vehicle interface output, 2 DC interface, 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C fast charging. PD 60 watt battery generators provide power for drones, tablets, smartphones, iPads, laptops, cameras, CPAPs, and more. Charging modes: the portable power station supports solar charging, car charging, and wall plug charging, so you don't have to worry about running out of power even when you are outdoors. System: the portable power station provides comprehensive protection for your equipment through LCD display, prevents short circuit, overcurrent, overvoltage, low voltage, overload and overheating, ensuring safer and more efficient equipment. Advanced lithium-ion batteries support over 3,000 charge cycles. To carry: portable power station weigh only 3.6 kilograms and are easy to carry, used for outdoor exploration, camping, travel, and more. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe and press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.